So today we will read the story The Three Sneezers. Nana, the farmer, climbed up the tree to cut some wood for his kitchen. His donkey, who was standing below, closed his eyes and went to sleep. So this is the farmer called Nana. He was climbing up the tree and he was cutting the wood. You can see it cutted to wood for the kitchen. And this is his donkey. He is closing his he closed his eyes and went to sleep. Now, just then a stranger on horseback happened to pass by. So this is the stranger in the horseback. He is passed by. "Hey there," cried the stranger. "Have you ever sawed wood before?" So the stranger told to Nana, "Have you ever sawed wood before?" means have you ever cutted wood before? So Nana told, "Why, if all the wood I have sawed in my life was gathered together, it would make a fine forest," Nana shouted back. So Nana told that, "Why, if I will cut all the woods in my life, so it will make a fine forest." "One wouldn't think so," said the stranger. So Nana demanded, "Why not?" "Because when you have sawed together that branch on which you are sitting, both you and the branch will fall." So you can see in the picture that it's showing that Nana, which branch is cutting, he's sitting on that. So both Nana and the branch will fall. So the stranger told that. So Nana said that, "Be off with you, stranger. I can see that you know nothing about sawing wood." So Nana said that, I can see you don't know nothing about cutting the wood." So the stranger went off and Nana went on sewing. Presently there was a terrible crash and both he and the branch fell on the ground. So after the stranger went off, after some time there was a terrible crash of Nana and the branch fell to the ground. Nana picked himself up and when he had rubbed all his bruises and found that his back was not broken, he recalled the stranger was surely that was a wonderful man. Nana told that, "I think that is a wonderful man because what he told it was right. For he told me that the branch and I would fall to the ground, and so we did. He must know all about the future. I will go after him and ask him a thing or two." So he told that, "I think that the stranger knows the future. I shall ask him some one to two things." So Nana got on his donkey and away they went after the stranger. So they went after the stranger. Presently then came to a turn in the road and there was a stranger ambling around his horse. So they were walking and then they saw the stranger along his horse, just as though nothing had happened. "Oh there," cried Nana. "What is this?" said the stranger, stopping his horse. "I see that you can read the future, so I want you to ask a thing or two." So Nana told, "Oh there," and then the stranger told, "What is it?" So he told that, "I think you can read the future, so I will ask you one to two things." "What makes you read? What makes you think I read the future?" asked the stranger. So as the stranger told, how can it, what makes you think that I can read the future? So Nana told, you said that when I sawed through the branches, both of us would fall to the ground. And so we did, answered Nana. Oh, said the stranger, smiling. I see. Well, ask me your questions, but I warn you I can answer only one of them. So Nana told, very well. Just answer me this. When I am going to die? That's easy, said the stranger. You will die when your donkey has sneezed the third 3 times. So Nana asked only one question, that when I am going to die. So the stranger told, that's easy. You will die when your donkey sneezes 3 times. And with that he rode away. So Nana thought that my donkey doesn't sneeze, so I shall live a long time. And he started for home feeling very happy. Now donkey was very stubborn, and they always do just the very thing that should not. When they walk, they do not budge, and when they should keep still, they are walking always. So it was very long before the donkey opened his mouth. So they were walking. When should they walk? They do not budge. And when they should keep still, so they walk. Now donkey opened his mouth and achoo! He sneezed loud and long. Nana was aghast. All his happiness was changed into terror. He jumped down and spread his both hands against the donkey's nose to stop the next sneeze. For everybody knows that a person always sneezes more than once. So Nana was very scared, and all his happiness was changed into terror. And he jumped down and pressed the both hands in his donkey nose. And in the bracket it's given that a person, if a person sneezed 1 time, so he will sneeze more than 1 time. When the danger of another sneeze passed, he resumed to his tail. So when the danger of another stream was coming, so they started walking, but now he did not dare to ride. Instead, he was walking beside the donkey so as to prevent any more sneezes. Presently, they came out of freshly ploughed field, means a fresh, clean field. And there was Nana paused to admire the rich brown earth. What a fine crops of wheat would grow there next summer. Now, forgetting all about the sneeze, he bent down to feel it with his hands, and achoo! The donkey sneezed a second time. So he forgot all the things about sneeze, and he was feeling the fine crops that would grow next summer. And again the donkey sneezed. Nana scattered his caps and put it over the donkey nose and held it tight. So he took out his cap, and what he did, he put it in his donkey's nose. 2 sneeze already, 2 horrible sneeze. He lamented. Lamented means to express sorrow. I cannot let him sneeze again. I am only one single sneeze away from death, Nana told. One miserable donkey sneeze. Surely I am the most unhappy man alive. I am sure that the stranger must have been evil. 1. He not only told the future, he makes my donkey sneeze. He is bewitched my donkey. He bathed my donkey means cast a spell. But he was holding the cap too tightly over the donkey nose. The donkey finally took cap. So Nana told that the stranger was not telling the future, but he was evil, means cruel or wicked. So he was means he cast a spell in his donkey. The Nana was thinking like that, and the cap was too tight over the donkey's nose. He could not breathe, so he kicked Nana very severely, means very badly. Some other remedy must be found, said Nana, for it my donkey sneeze again. I am a dead man. Then he an idea. He picked up 2 round stones and placed them in the donkey's nostrils. So in donkey's nostrils, what he did, he put the stones and 2 cords in the bottle. They are just let him try to sneeze that out, he thought. But he ignored without realizing the stubbornness of donkey. Achoo! The stones flew out with like bullets from a gun. He hit Nana in the face. Said Nana, the 3rd sneeze. Alas, I'm dead. And he lay down in the road, closing his eyes and muttering, I'm dead, really dead. So Nana was not actually dead, but he was realizing that he was dead, and he was closing his eyes. So the moral of the story means, the meaning of the story is, do not listen to any stranger, and we should always not be so foolish that we cannot understand anything. So this was our today's video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.